Halo?
Hello, welcome to Nathalie's channel.
Halo guys, jadi hari ini gue mau nunjukin kalian daily makeup tutorial gue. Hai guys, hari ini aku akan menunjukkan cara tutorial makeup cute. Hai guys, jadi hari ini gue akan menunjukkan kepada kalian daily makeup tutorial gue kalau gue misalnya berpergian kemanapun itu, mau nge-mall atau hangout bareng teman atau ngambil KTP, terserah deh ya. Kita mulai. Oke, pertama gue menggunakan ini cat trace. Ini bukan begini. That's it. Ini nggak tahu ini brand apa?
Salah 24 stay gitu.
Oh pokoknya gue nggak tahu ini brand lokal atau brand luar. Cuman ini punya kakak gue. Ya gue hanya pakai aja guys. Oke. Gak usah terlalu banyak-banyak ya guys. Sikit-sikit aja.
Even on me, you might as well get me gone. I'll meet you every night. In every dream I find your love. That makes me smile. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under. You never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. And that's the deal, my dear.
For your information guys, ignore people, the person behind me, right? That girl always disturb me. Oke. Biasanya guys setelah gue pakai founding gitu, dia tuh kayak gue mendiamkannya agar dia meresap ke kulit. Nah, setelah biasanya gue kayak kipas-kipas dulu. Biasanya gue ada kipas guys. Cuman ini ada nggak ya? Habis guys. Gue kipas-kipas gitu. Saya pakai tangan aja, manual aja.
A few minutes later.
Oke, setelah itu gue pakai bedak tabur. Sebenarnya nggak tahu ini tabur atau padat. Ya gue pakai YOU. Pastikan guys kalian itu memilih bedak tabur atau bedak padat itu sesuai dengan skin tone kalian. Karena kalau enggak itu bakalan muka kalian kelihatan gelap atau keterangan gitu. Jadi carilah yang sesuai dengan skin tone kalian.
There you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under. You never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear.
Maaf ya guys, muka gua hari ini kurang baik gitu karena dia lagi breakout. No, I mean jerawat, breakout.
That's the deal, my dear. My mama's mad, but I never cared. And babe, I don't regret it. I'm pretty sorry that you never met. But girl, I work.
Jangan aku taruh di dengkul. Hitam lah coy. Itu spons gue.
Putih guys.
Udah. Seperti biasa guys, gue tuh suka yang simple-simple aja, nggak kelihatan kan, kayak nggak pakai gitu. Ya, gue lagi suka yang simple-simple gitu aja. Habis itu gue biasanya setelah pakai bedak rambut gue pakai alis. Oh ya, untuk alis gue pakai makeover guys. I forgot.
You'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. You're under, you never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear. That's the deal, my dear. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear.
Gue tuh lebih suka pakai alis itu yang begini bentukannya. Gue nggak pernah suka yang kayak pensil gitu, kayak celak gitu, gue nggak suka. Kenapa ya? Kalau dengan begini gue bisa sekreasi mungkin, you know, sekreatif mungkin.
Fungir.
Okay guys, back to laptop.
Bit older, because whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear. Mama's mad but I never cared, and babe I don't regret it. I'm pretty sorry that you never met.
Lu dari sana napa?
I'll meet you every night, in every dream I find your love. That makes me smile. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear. That's the deal, my dear. I'll leave you in my fantasies, I won't leave you till I die. Girl, you are my only remedy. If you go, I won't survive anymore. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. Wherever you're under, you never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear.
Memang alis itu nggak bisa sama ya guys, karena mereka tuh bukan kembar. Jadi kadang ada yang kayak ketebalan, ada yang ketipisan. Oke, kalau udah selesai kita itu pakai shading. Dan biasanya kalau nge-shading hidung itu gue pakai ini juga. Terserah kalian mau pakai apa, tapi biasanya gue pakai ini. Kan dia ada yang gelapnya, ada yang coklat lebih mudanya. Jadi gue pakai yang mudanya. Setelah itu di blend pakai.
That's the deal, my dear. My mama's mad but I never cared, and babe I don't regret it. I'm pretty sorry that you never met, but girl I work on that. Even a million miles won't get me gone. I'll meet you every night, in every dream I find your love. That makes me smile. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear.
Kayak lebih kelihatan gak sih guys? Kelihatan ya. Habis itu apa ya? Oh iya. Sebenarnya karena gue udah pakai eyelashes gitu, jadi aku nggak perlu lagi menggunakan eyeshadow. Jadi aku rasa udah cukup, jangan too much. Habis itu gue mau pakai ini blush on. Ini blush on guys. Yang belum blush on gue mana cuy? Gue mau yang kayak peach gitu guys. Untuk blush on gue pakai yang biasa aja, pakai merek apa ini? Gue lupa tutupnya, dia hilang guys.
We will be together when you come over. Yeah, I need you to get you a ticket and I'll make you fly over. You won't make it through. I need some love to get a little bit sober. Won't say goodbye. You won't regret when you're a little bit older. Because whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear.
Bentar ya guys, ada yang ngechat.
A few minutes later.
Even a million miles won't get me gone. I'll meet you every night. In every dream I find your love. That makes me smile. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. We're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, and that's the deal, my dear.
Bentar ya guys, ada
2,000 years later.
Oke lanjut, abis itu gue mau pakai lipstick. Untuk lipsticknya gue lebih suka yang nude. Gue biasa pakai ini lah tuh guys, yang lip matte, yaitu nomor 05. Itu bagus banget guys, dia tuh nggak pecah. Baby, we'll be together when you come over. Yeah, I need you to get you a ticket and I'll make you fly over. You won't make it through. I need some love to get a little bit sober. Won't say goodbye. You won't regret when you're a little bit older. Jadi kelihatan kayak natural gitu ya guys. Tapi kayak buat mancung lagi kurang ya, mancungnya kurang ya, kayaknya kurang shady gitu, kurang guys. Tambah lagi.
deal, my dear. My mama's mad, but I never cared. And babe, I don't regret it. I'm pretty sorry that you never met. But girl, I work on that. Even on me, you might as well get me gone. I'll meet you.
Dah.
Nice.
Ya beginilah guys, kita udah selesai. Ya beginilah kelihatan kira-kira penampakan muka aku. Kalian kan udah cuci. Kok aku pakai ini tuh Gir? Nanti tuh kau hilang kan ya? Ini tuh.
Itu alis kan?
Bukan. Untuk eyelashes, you know. Oke guys, ini dia hasil makeup gue. Makeupnya biasa aja sih, nggak terlalu menor. Ya BTW ini tutorial makeup gue yang pertama di channel YouTube. Semoga kalian suka dan jangan lupa give it a thumbs up, like, comment. Itu udah like ya. Anjir, komen dan subscribe guys. Oke, jika kalian suka jangan lupa nanti aku akan bakal buat lagi macam-macam makeup yang biasanya aku gunakan. Oke, bye bye.
That's the deal, my dear.